It's 2026 now, you guys. It's not every time you be going to the lash tech. You know how annoying that lash whatever is. Whenever I fix my lashes, like that week, I'll just feel like taking it out. But this is very cost effective. It's just like you can take it out, you can do your lashes like more than, I'm telling you, 10 times with this lashes. I got this. This is 5,000 naira. It comes with, look at it. It comes with this. Look at this. It comes with this to brush your lashes. Throughout December, this was, I've done my lashes like 3 times. I also did for my sister, and look, I still have all this here. Like, look at the lashes. The name of the lash is it's just, I don't know, it's just eyelashes. It's like, it's a 3D lash collection. So this is it. This is, comes with these two. So here you have the glue itself and the seal. So this part here is the seal. After applying everything, after applying the lashes with the glue, you go in with the seal. Then this is the glue. Okay, like look at it. The glue is the black part. Comes with this tweezers. You guys can, so this is what I do. This is it. Depends on whatever length you want. Like if you want this cat eye whatever, use this long length. But you will notice that I'm be using the one that is here, the next one. That's, I don't like mine too long. Okay, and I use most of these ones because I don't want it heavy. Depends on what you want. Okay, just the application, it doesn't, like, it's not numbered, so you just use your initiative. Okay, the very long ones at the end, and you just go in one after the other. First off, I use my glue first. Okay, I use the glue to coat my lashes. You will see my lashes, they are still like, the glue is that strong even after I've taken it out. If you're like me that get tired of lashes like quickly, this will do you. Like, you really like this one because you not feel like you wasted your money. So I just usually coat my lashes very well. Make sure you're coating your lashes very well. So I pick the longest part. I'm just going to take from here, so I'll just turn it. Remember, I've already coated my lashes with glue, so this is it. The front end is facing you guys. But if you are doing it for the first time, it might take some time actually. But once you figure it out, it's easier that way. So I use 2 of the long ones. I go in one after the other, place it, push it with the bottom of this other one again. I'm just like arranging it the way I want it to be. If it doesn't fit, you go in again. This one came up, so like, do rubbish. So I'll just go in with it. When I get to this inner corner, it will be shorter. And you see that my lashes are already coming together. I'm going to repeat the same thing here, and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm done with my lashes. This place feels like, it looks thicker, but I like it. I don't know, I'm going to leave it that way. So this is the lashes, and I'm just going to go in with the last step. Just seal everything in with this. So you guys, what do you think about my lashes? And if I like, tomorrow morning I can take it off again. Because if you're like me, then you should get these lashes. Okay, get the Costa lashes. It's just 5,000 naira. Okay, get yourself Costa lashes. Get it today.